The slender man, the tall man, the guy in the woods, the one with no face, the operator. These are all names for my master. Me, I only have one name, Masky. You might know my associates, Hoodie, Kate, and that stuttering little bitch, Toby. I don't expect you to be afraid of us. So many people make us out to be sexualized beasts, like horny little rabbits. Others make us sweet and loving. Some assholes decided to make me have an obsession with cheesecake. Like, seriously, what the fuck? It doesn't matter. None of it matters. Because sooner or later we find them. And then they end up like all the rest of our victims. Gutted and impaled on trees. Left in the woods to rot. The damn seizures. I hate them. I've had epilepsy for a while now. And I don't know how to live with it. The pills don't work. I can't go to clubs. I can't watch TV. I can't play video games. I can't do shit. So instead of going home, staying in my room, and rotting away like a lazy piece of shit, I do something. I kill. Not for some greater purpose like Toby and Hoodie. I do it for me, because I'm bored. I'm bored of just sitting around waiting to die from these goddamn seizures. No. No, I'm not gonna die like that. If I'm gonna die how I want to. With a knife in my hand, and my victim's blood on my face. So go ahead. Call me sweet. Call me lovable. But sooner or later I'll find you. And when I do, you're gonna wish you were never born. You disgusting piece of human filth, writhing in your own ignorant bullshit. You will never be a proxy. You will never be one of us. And you will never be anything than dog shit left on a sidewalk for the flies to devour. So I'll see you in hell.